welcome back to another episode of the Daily Fix. Today, GameStop announces they're choosing Pokémon cards and trading cards as their next big focus. Mario Kart World sells better than OG Breath of the Wild at launch, and exciting details on MindsEye's unique game creation tools. Let's jump in. Presented by MindsEye. More Pokémon cards! That's what GameStop CEO Ryan Cohen announced at the company's 2025 annual meeting. He shared that the company has seen its first profitable opening quarter since 2019, partly due to, well, not just closing many of its stores, but also due to focusing on core fundamentals of business, which turns out to be trading cards. Cohen called the shift in focus as a natural extension of the business, and he continued, quote, "The trading card market, whether sports, Pokémon, or collectibles, is aligned with our heritage. It fits our trading model, it appeals to our core consumer base, and it's deeply embedded in physical retail." Okay, so GameStop currently offers trading cards both online and in store. So how will this shift in focus change the way the store operates, and will they be expanding in-store offerings? Will there be inspiration taken from local card stores which offer the ability to look through binders and display cases to buy rare cards and maybe even trade? And how will they prevent scalpers from acquiring all the extra inventory for reselling purposes? Maybe have a special event where kids can access these cards first? Shareholders potentially have questions too, as GameStop shares took a hit to the tune of 22% immediately after the announcement. The trading card market is huge, with Pokemon cards specifically having big demand. I mean, check out this 1998 Pikachu card that sold for over $5 million. So, what do you think of GameStop's announcement? Drop your thoughts in the comments. While I'm sure Nintendo is happy with how popular Pokemon continues to be, they're probably even happier about their Switch 2 launch title, Mario Kart World, being a big success. In Japan, Nintendo has now sold more physical copies of Mario Kart World in its first 3 days than the Switch 1's launch title, The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, did in that same time frame. According to Famitsu, Mario Kart World has sold almost 800,000 copies, just in Japan, mind you. This makes it this week's top-selling game for that market, and it's undoubtedly selling just as well everywhere else. And keep in mind, that sales figure does not include digital downloads, so the total number of game sales is probably far higher. Mario Kart World has now sold around 4 times more copies than Breath of the Wild initially did on Switch 1. And that's not surprising considering how the Switch 2 is now Nintendo's fastest selling console to date. Let's keep an eye out to see if Mario Kart World can still beat Breath of the Wild in total sales too. MindsEye is a brand new single-player action-adventure thriller from Build a Rocket Boy, the studio founded by visionary game director Leslie Benzies. In addition to the tightly crafted narrative and the extensive Play MindsEye content, PC players will also gain access to Build a Rocket Boy's easy-to-use game creation tool, Build MindsEye, a powerful intuitive tool that allows anyone to create custom missions and environments, no programming experience required. Build MindsEye will allow players on PC to craft their own content using MindsEye assets, creating everything from custom missions to entirely new scenarios within the game's detailed world. Whether you're designing a high-speed chase through Red Rock's bustling cityscapes or a stealth mission in its industrial outskirts, the game creation UGC tools are designed to be intuitive and accessible, ensuring that players of all skill levels can bring their ideas to life and craft their own stories. But it doesn't stop there. Build a Rocket Boy is committed to delivering a constant stream of fresh content through Play MindsEye, promising that the game remains a living, evolving experience. The development team will release new missions, challenges, and assets monthly. This steady flow of developer-driven content combined with the community's own creations means that MindsEye will continue to entertain players long after launch. MindsEye has a future filled with diverse episodes and interactive experiences that will keep the Build a Rocket Boy universe rapidly expanding for decades to come. You can check out MindsEye, available now on PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X and S, and on PC via Steam and the Epic Game Store. Those are your stories from today, Friday, June 13th. And if you've been wanting to learn how to join your local Pokemon League, this next IGN video is for you. Happy weekend, everybody, and see you all on the next one.